In this lecture, you will learn how to add the www version of your domain name to Google Search Console. What is www version? For example, let's take this domain, inspirearun.com. Like inspirearun.com, www.inspirearun.com is another domain which we use to redirect to inspirearun.com. But Google expects you to submit www form of your domain name as an individual property. So let's see how to add the www version of SEO dummy website. Click add a property and enter the URL. Once you have entered the URL, click continue. If you wonder how to verify this domain, then I should add that you don't need to do anything separately to do the verification of www version of your domain name, provided you have made the 301 redirect of www to your naked domain name. For example, when you enter www.seo.inspirearun.com, it automatically redirects to seo.inspirearun.com. In such case, you don't need to do anything or you don't need to add any meta tag. Just click verify. See, this domain is also verified by Google Search Console. Now click continue. Once you have added the www version of your domain name, go to the naked version. For example, I have added www.inspirearun.com and inspirearun.com. Similarly, I have added seo.inspirearun.com and www.seo.inspirearun.com. In this case, I don't want two results appear in Google search result, and even if I want it, Google won't allow that. And all of the content in this website will be termed as the duplicate content in this website. So to avoid that, go to your website, click on this setting gear icon and select site settings. Here you can choose don't set a preferred domain, display URLs as www.inspirearun.com or inspirearun.com. This influences the URL that are displayed in Google search results. For example, I have searched for AMD Zen and here is my website appearing in the search result. You can see that Google displays my domain name as just inspirearun.com. If I choose my preferred domain as www.inspirearun.com, then the URL will be displayed as www.inspirearun.com. In the next lecture, let's see how to add our website to other search engines such as Bing.